Do you know what happens when you put oregano leaves in a jar of hot oil? Studies show that oregano's antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties can help treat skin conditions like cold sores and fungal infections. It can also help treat respiratory and gastrointestinal issues. So you want to know what happens when you put oregano in a jar of hot oil? It creates an infusion that can have powerful healing benefits. Here's how to make it. Chop and bruise several handfuls of fresh oregano leaves and stems to release the oils, and place them in a sterilized jar. Heat some olive oil, grapeseed oil, or jojoba oil on low heat, and pour it over the oregano until the leaves are covered. Allow the oil to steep for 1 week, then strain and store in a cool, dark place. You can also make an oregano tea by simply pouring boiling water on fresh or dried oregano. Oregano has also been shown to stimulate metabolism and increase energy levels, which can help promote weight loss.